Today, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Xbox Series X. So the first thing you can do is by testing the network speed. So select General and then choose Networks and Settings. And then scroll down and test the network speed and statistics. So select that and then give it a few seconds to provide you the information needed. Now at this point, find the option wireless strength and ensure that your wireless strength is at 100%. So maybe it's around 50. So that means that your console is far away from the router. So ensure that the console and the router are in close proximity, so that you cannot have any Wi-Fi issues. So if this doesn't work, another way you can do is just connect into that network again. So all you have to do is select Manage Wireless Networks and then choose Set up Wireless Network. And then give it a few seconds to refresh all the available Wi-Fi networks. And then select that particular Wi-Fi network and type in the password again. Then give it a few seconds. And if you have typed in the correct password, it should automatically connect to that particular Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it's all good. Your console is connected to the internet. And if this doesn't work, or you can try a factory reset. So go to the system option and then select console information. And then from here, choose reset console. And then select reset and remove everything. Now, once you reset it, once you get back to it, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and try and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and that should help. So those are the few methods on how to fix any Wi-Fi issues on your Xbox Series X. If this video helped, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have more questions or if you have other methods that helped you to fix that particular issue, leave them down in the comment section below.